Hello everyone, this is Deepak, and right now we just go to upload our entire project into the GitHub. So how we can do that? We just see it. So this is my file here. So again, I just zoom here. So you can see that this is our file basically. I just upload it into the GitHub. So how we can do that? We just see it. So let's see. I just double click on that and go ahead, and here you can see that this is the entire content here basically. So I simply click on that and open it with respected browser. So if you open it, you can see that this is the entire content here basically, and this is the entire product. This is the footer area, and this is our another area. So this is our total project here. Basically, it is a HTML and a CSS based project here. One more thing is that this image is basically this one. This image, sorry, this image is this peacock image is present in another folder. So how we can do that? So this is the other folder. This is the image basically is present here. So how we can do that to upload it? So I can see here. So basically, we just go here and refresh it, and again you just go here, go to the browser, and basically go to the GitHub. This is the GitHub account. Again, I just show you that is, simply click on github.com and this one, and I just again sign in here, and for signing I just this is the content basically. If I zoom here, you can see the entire content. This is the our username, and this is our entire password. So this is our entire password, and we just simply input our username and password. Then I just simply sign in here. So click on the sign in button to sign in, no problem. So simply I do the same thing. So for that we just use our uh, I just simply use it to sign in. After that we just input password. I again, after that the entire data will be showing here. Here the entire data, and this is our total repository. So if I showing here total, this is my total repository here, and this is one of the my repository, and after that I just create a new repository. So for that you just click here, and for here again I just zoom here, simply click here, and after that I simply click here, and after that I just create a click on our profile. So basically this is the entire content here. This is the profile, repository, project. This is the entire content here, and at the last we are having the our sign out option. So first we just click on the your profile, and then I just click on the create a new repository. So for that I just do it here, and I just click on your repository, and after that we just click on this one, repository, zoom here, and I just click on the repository. Again I click on here, then I just click on here to create a new one. So simply go and click on here. This is the new repository. Click on here. Then I just click on new repository, and then I just create this one and this one. So again I just zoom here, so you can see how what is inside it. uh, this is the name of the repository. Basically I just input the name of the project as a method. Basically in GitHub all the codes will be public, there is no need to pay anything for the uh, your security of the code. But if you want to make it as a private, then you may pay some money to GitHub. Basically I used to use public as a code as public, so for that you just know. Another one is there is a this option is there, initialize the our uh, this is it. If you having already having the existing repository, then you simply ignore it. You simply ignore it, no problem. You having the, so no problem. If you having the existing repository, you simply ignore it this step. If you are having the new repository, then you just clear user. I having the existing repository, so I simply ignore it. So I give the name here. I simply write the name as DWPROJECT project. DW project, maybe 21, I think. I simply give a name as 21. Here, if I zoom here again, you can see this is the right symbol showing that this name is suitable for us and this is available also. This is the entire message here. And after that we just having the public, and I simply click on repository. After clicking on the repository, this is our entire content, this is our entire website. Basically this entire website here, we simply copy here, uh, or you simply use that. So I again go to my repository. I simply close this one, this is one, and I right click on here and go to git bash. So I simply zoom here, so this one, and this one is basically git bash here, and right click on here, go to git bash here, and after that we see that this is our entire repository. Basically this is the total repository, and we need to upload it in the uh, main folder. Basically, so how you can do that? So I just simply use git clone, git clone here, clo only. Then sorry, I simply go here and copy this one, and go again here and do another container. So again I open it. So I simply copy this one, go to DW, right click on, go to get bash, then git clone shift insert here. Again I just show you how what is the I write here. So this is the total content. Basically I simply yes, this one, this is the entire content. I simply press enter. So it is clone it and make a project, that is DW project 21. So again I just write cd DW PROJECT project 21. Again I just write cd DW project 21, print and enter. So here after this we just go into the inside the our website. Here we just create a text file. So go to create and create a text document basically. So this one text again I will show you. uh, this is the text document. We just create it here. So the I created here. So give the name as sample bar info, and its extension is txt. So I simply go to property, so you can see that okay, this is the sample name, sample info, and the extension is txt. So if you write it here, what is the file name? So I simply write clearly bar info dot txt. So this one sample dot info dot txt and this is the entire content. Inside it I just write okay, no problem. I just double click on that and I just type this file is for this file is for sample purpose. This file is for sample purpose. I simply write it here. I just simply save it and adjust. And after that to just to go here again here and again check the status here. So I just write git status here. So if I check the git status, one file is showing here. Again, if I when I see the when I see the status here, when I see the status here, this is the entire status, and basically this is the total container sample info.txt. It is in a red color form. That means we do not add the entire data into the GitHub. So if you I just write the another code so that it can be showing in green color form. If you see that this entire content will be showing in the green color form, that means your data will be ready to push into the GitHub. So let's see how we can do that. So just write a git add space all, and again I just zoom here. So this is the entire content here, and I just press enter here, and again I just check the git status and press enter, and right now it is showing in green color form. You can see again it is in when in second time when I see the status here, the entire content will be showing in the green color format. Okay, next what you will do, you just push the command here. So in order to push the command we need another this one, we just need to another command. So I just write it here. So wait 1 second. Okay, click on here, this one. So I just require this command basically because we add all the content here. So again zoom here, so you can see that this is the content basically. This is the entire content. You just simply seeing the screen, you can write it by your own PC, no problem. And while seeing with this command, so just use that. I simply copy paste that, copy, and again I simply press shift insert to sing that, and then I just again see here, this is the entire command here, and then I just push it. So go for it, and we are showing the entire data. After showing this command, your one file is changed, and it is created by the our sample.txt. So this content will be showing here. So after this I just use git push here, git push, and you can see this the entire command, and after that when I press enter, it is may used to ask your username and password. Right now I just in the previously I just give the username and password, so this time it may not ask him. So right now it is not asking, and it is completed right now. And ensure that, and ensure that the objective is done. So entire content will be done here, and this is a new branch is showing here. So how, and this is the our entire uh, website link to input inside the our file. So this is the entire website link. So again we just click on here, and right now it is showing that the entire content will be showing in this way. So this is the entire content. uh, Basically we just use the I use the two uh, basically I use the two GitHub accounts, so in this, so that it is showing this types of content, that is megastar delete is using this one and that one. So this may write sometimes 403 error, so you simply erase your GitHub account another way. So how we erase that? We can simply search in YouTube that how to overcome GitHub 403 error. We simply get many types of video on that. So don't worry about that. And right now, just again, uh, after that you can see that this is the sample folder basically, and right now we only input our sample folder. We do not enter our entire folder. So if you see that this is the entire content will be showing here. You simply clone it, or you simply clone it, or you simply download it, no problem. And okay, then we just again push the content here. So again I just minimize it, and go to my file again. It is my file here, and I simply select my all the file here. Okay, one second. I simply copy it, and then go inside it, and I simply paste it. Okay, after that you can see the our all the changes here. Okay, so entire content will be showing in this way. All the content will be present inside the DW project 21. So I can go to the my, okay, here, and again open the same get bash, don't close it. Again this, see the get status, status. Okay, so again zoom here. This is my entire code. here. So I click on here. You can see that this content will be showing here, entire content. You simply see that this is a file for if you upload the content second time, this file will showing here, and this content another all content will be entire content will be showing in this way. Next, and when you upload a folder here, so this is showing in this way, or this is the folder name, and here another arrow mark is showing here, another slash symbol is showing, and then this is the file name style.css, and this is present in another way. So how we can see that? So in this way, so other just slash like that, and inside the you just see that, so you write a git add space all. Again I just show you uh, this way, and press enter. Here you can see that this is all content will be inside it. Then we just set git sttus status. Again checking the status here. This is the status basically, and press enter, and you can see that all the content will be showing in this way. So again we just see that all the content will be showing as you can see that here one file is showing that other file 01, it is showing in this way, no problem. Another content also showing in the, so simply ignore it, no problem, there is no worry about that it is automatically generated by the system, no problem. And another all things are set here, so no problem. And then after selecting the, or after it is converted into green color, you simply write git commit 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 minus m, then I just initialize NITIAL COMMIT. This is the entire content here, git commit. So again I just zoom here, so you can see that this is the entire content, git commit minus initial uh, git commit minus initial commit. Okay, then press enter. All the files are showing in this way. I show you how it is showing just with less. Here 9 files are created here, and okay, 9 files are created and the entire files are showing in this way. So this is the entire file and it is showing in this way. So after that we just so git, after that I just use git push here. After that git push, I just so again git push here, and after that you may ask username or password. If you log in previously, no problem, it is automatically complete your task. So again I just zoom here. So this is our command, that is our uh, git push here, and this is our entire thing, that it is all done, no problem. It is showing that all done, no problem. And this is the website where you can check the entire data by simply copy pasting the entire data in any browser, no problem. So it is almost done. Simply click on the DW project here, and here you can see that the entire data will be showing here, and as a zoom here, entire data will be showing here like that. and here our file also showing here this way. So I simply click on here. When I click on here, the entire data will be shown again. This is the entire data. So this is my file here, and this is my second file here. So this is the icon here. If you click on that, the data will be showing here. So this is our entire file here. It is not showing because our content will be so large, so that it is showing here. Don't worry, simply go here. If you want to clone it and download it, you just go here. After cloning to your computer, you see that the entire data will be showing as it is, no problem. Okay, and this is the entire data. And in this way I just to show you how we can upload your data inside it. So right now we having the 10 the repository, and click on the repository, you can see that this is the DW project 21. If you click on that, you can see the entire content. So this is the entire content here basically, and this is the our project repository. So this one. So thanks for watching, and before that you just simply close it here. So this is the I just close it here, and this is our content basically. So simply save it, close. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.